Hey guys, today I'm checking out this ultrasonic rodent repellent that I received for baby purposes, and it's a repellent that you can place indoors so you can get bothered by any kind of rodent, some bugs and everything. This is the proper main unit. As you can see, it has two speakers in a transmitter in here and LEDs to show which mode it's working, and in here you get the controlling knobs and the DC port. It comes with the cable that will go into that DC port, and you just need to plug it into a USB-A power adapter upon the wall, which I think that it's nice, just placing it this, okay. And we get the user manual with all the important information that you need to read about how to use it. Comes with all the indications, all the description of the modes. You can see you get 4 different modes depending on which time of the day it is and how you want to use it, which I think that it's nice. And in some instances, if you're placing it in a bigger area, you get 3 different intensity modes, okay? So, well, I'm gonna first test it out in the test mode, okay? As you can see, it's right here, okay? And I'm gonna plug it into the power adapter. Okay. It emits that sound, meaning that it's ready to work. So now we can just go ahead and place it where we have some trouble with rodents and alike to test it out. Okay, let's go. Depending on what kind of critters you have around your house is how you're gonna use it. As I've said, it has 4 different modes that you can switch really easily. First, we have the testing mode, where it will be emitting this kind of sound. Then we have the ultra mode that, as you can see, we have the selector on it, and the LED showing up the ultra, it's on, meaning that it's working, okay? We do also have a trans mode that will emit a different kind of wave, and it will be also flashing up the trans mode LED. And lastly, we have the final dual mode, where both of the frequencies are working at the same time, and we can see the both LEDs are being used. To test it around, I place it on trans mode and place it upon the floor of my room, where I have sometimes some ants and insects like that, and place it upon the floor where my cat usually sits, okay? Here I'll be placing it a long video recording of the time that I was around, and my cat wasn't even bothered at all. You can change the intensity of the plug between day and night, so you can leave it around without having any kind of trouble, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, it's really easy to use. It's just plug and play, and it's really nice. It's safe. It doesn't have any kind of chemicals or anything, which I think that it's perfect. And overall, I really like it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.